Hi there, students. Rush. To rush, a verb. A rush, a countable noun. Rushes, yeah, a countable noun as well. Okay, so to rush, to do something quickly, to go quickly. So I spent all day rushing around, getting all the things ready for the holidays. Yeah, the the cars rushed down the road. Yeah, okay. Everybody was rushing to buy the new product. They rushed the work, and it wasn't very well done. They rushed the fire brigade to the scene of the fire. Yeah, we had to rush to school because the kids were going to be late. Notice you have the rush hour in the morning and the evening where everybody's rushing to work and rushing back from work. Okay, so to rush, notice as well, a group of people can rush a place. They all rush towards where an enemy is. They all suddenly attack together. Yeah, I think in the Capitol riot, the people rushed the guards. Okay, they rushed the security stations. But a rush, a situation where you have to go quickly, where you need to move quickly. What's the rush? Why are you in such a rush? Yeah. Okay, I'm in no rush to do this. I need to do it, but I can. I don't have to rush. Okay, everybody's rushing to buy this. Yeah, the Christmas rush to do all your shopping before everything. Before you're out of time. Yeah, water rushed out of the pipe. Okay. A gold rush, yeah, where the Californian gold rush, where everybody rushed towards California in an attempt to get the gold. They were going as quickly as they can. You could have a rush as a sudden strong feeling of emotion. He felt a rush of jealousy. Yeah, he felt a rush of anger. Yeah, the memories came back to him in a rush. Then you've got rushes, a plant. Moses was found in the rushes. It's a long grass-like plant that grows near the water and is very good for making baskets and mats and things like that. Okay, so a rush, a quick movement of something. Yeah, there was a rush of customers. Yeah, there was a rush of anger, a rush of excitement, a sudden feeling. Yeah, we all rushed into the room to see what had happened. We rushed to buy toilet paper before it all ran out. Yeah, I was in a rush to get everything done before the weekend. Yeah. In my rush, I forgot my keys. Yeah, the rush hour, the morning rush, the evening rush. Yeah, I guess a sudden movement towards something. When the match was over, everybody made a rush for the exits, and there was a lot of it was very difficult to get out. So to rush, to hurry, to dash, to sprint, to bolt, to dart. Yeah, to attempt to capture something altogether, an attack, a charge. They all rushed the security guards. Yeah. Okay. So, but this rush to go quickly, a sudden intense feeling, a rush of anger, a rush of euphoria, a rush of happiness. Yeah, a rush of blood to the head. Be careful not to rush your fences. This is an idiom meaning act carefully and don't be too hasty. Yeah, do things in the right order. And then we've got rushes. Moses in the bulrushes. Yeah, it's a waterside plant that grows in the water. It's good for making baskets and things like that. Okay, so rush. Formality. I think I'm going to give this word rush a 5 in formality, and I think you could use it. You can use it absolutely anywhere. The rush, as in to go quickly. This comes from Old French, rousser, to drive back, to push back, rousser. And then the rush, the plant. I think from risk, an Old English word for a rush, which comes from Germanic, from the plant. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rush. In a rush. Don't rush your fences.